Hi guys, welcome to Ronan and Beyond. So what we have here is from Hype-Based Toys and Collectibles. Thank you, Boss T. So this is a toothless How to Train Your Dragon. So this was made by Beast Kingdom. So the code is VBP010. So i-unbox natin ito and then i-show natin kung ano yung gaano siya kalaki. So these are the sides of the box and the rear. Patong mo na dyan. Ayan. Yeah.
Kita sa.
Piggy bank. So, ganyan siya kalaki. No? So, this is my palms. Alright, so natitwist natin yung head niya. Natiturn natin. Ayan. I don't think if it's 360, pero natitwist ko siya ng 180 degrees. Okay. So, this is vinyl. And then, dito naman yung kung saan kayo maghuhulog ng coins or ng paper money. So I suggest paper money kasi meron silang disclaimer dito na if ever may initan or hot temperature, medyo magde-deform itong vinyl. So yun, sobrang laki. Sige, lapit natin. So this one yung tail, dito lalabas yung pera kapag kukuha kayo. So na-open and na tatanggal and balik naman siya. So yun lang.